hand, we have third-party developers creating page builders, Elementor, Brizy, Divi, right? And that use case is always there. I mean, we cannot say that use case isn't. I mean, those page builders are practical. It works for some people or some part of the audience. What do you see in the next couple of years? Maybe by 2025, we will be sitting here. And what do you see happening in a couple of years?
While I agree that there are several use cases for those page builders, I think the distance between kind of the page builder movement and what WordPress core is capable of doing is going to very quickly close. I think a lot of people will, once WordPress ships all of the features and they feel more complete and it doesn't feel quite as I guess messy, I think people who build websites, with those Divi, Elementor, and so on, Beaver Builder, we'll see them starting to be curious around new WordPress and how that works. And I think over time, we're going to see people sort of abandoning maybe those page builders just for core WordPress. I think as we've seen with the Elementor sort of cloud hosted thing, right. I think those companies will evolve their offering so they're not solely like page builder based, because I think they're starting to understand WordPress will cannibalize some of their right. business. And so we'll see them sort of evolving their business models in ways that I still think will be fruitful.
Right.